Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by launching GTA 5 and signing into the profile you use for gameplay. Once loaded, use the pause menu to go to Settings, then Display and Graphics. This is where PowerSave features live. Make sure your controller or keyboard is at hand so you can change values quickly, and note current FPS, VSync, and resolution. This lets you compare before and after. Doing this prevents accidental changes to profile-specific settings and speeds up the rest of the procedure. Now you change the actual power-related options. Find power saving mode and set it to off or the least restrictive option. This ensures the CPU/GPU aren't artificially limited. Next, disable VSync or pick adaptive to reduce frame pacing issues and set background FPS lower so the game conserves energy when unfocused. If you still see slowdowns, lower texture and shadow quality. This reduces GPU load and helps avoid thermal throttling, which is often mistaken for power save interference. Finish by applying changes and restarting GTA 5. Once done, test in a controlled scene like a quiet city area so you can measure impact. Make sure to monitor temperatures, FPS, and whether the laptop switches to battery power or a lower performance profile. This confirms the fix. If issues continue, update GPU drivers and verify game files through your launcher. As a troubleshooting tip, if toggling settings fails, boot with a clean profile or external power connected. This isolates power scheme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.